Hey, what's up, guys? If you're craving warm, melty chocolate chip cookies, you're in the right place. Let's start baking. In a large bowl, add 1½ cups or 180 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and ½ teaspoon of salt. Whisk until everything is evenly combined. For the liquid ingredients, let's start with melting the butter. In a small pan over low heat, add ½ cup or 113 grams of butter and gently melt just until it's fully liquid. Transfer to a separate bowl and let it cool before using in the recipe. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed and 3 tablespoons of water. Give it a good mix and set it aside for about 10 minutes to thicken. This is our flax egg and it'll turn gel-like as it sits. In a medium bowl, add 3/4 cup or 165 grams of light brown sugar. Use your fingertips to gently rub and break apart any clumps. Add the melted vegan butter and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Once the flax mixture has thickened, add it in as well. Whisk until the mixture is fully combined. Now pour the wet ingredients into the bowl of the dry ingredients. And stir everything together until almost combined. You should still see a few streaks of flour at this point. Add in 1 cup or 180 grams of vegan chocolate chips and fold them in. I like to save some chocolate chips to add on after baking to give the cookies a more professional bakery-style appearance. Mix just until no dry patches remain. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. While it's chilling, line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. You can use a silicone mat as well, but I prefer parchment because the cookies spread less. Once chilled, scoop the dough into equal-sized portions, about 2 tablespoons each. I like even-sized cookies, so I'm using a kitchen scale. You'll need about 40 grams of dough per cookie. Place them onto your prepared baking sheet, leaving at least 3 inches between each one so they can spread without merging into one giant cookie. Even though one giant cookie does sound kind of amazing. Now place it in your preheated oven one batch at a time, 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. They're done when the edges are light golden brown. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes so they can set. Then transfer them to a wire rack. Top with the remaining chocolate chips if you saved some, and let them finish cooling. And that's it. Perfectly soft chocolate chip cookies with golden edges and melty chocolate in every bite. Ready to disappear almost as quickly as you made them. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time.